Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about some signs that your tires need replacing on your car. These are symptoms to notice, and if you notice these symptoms, they should signify to you that maybe your tires need replacing on your car. Now, I'm going to be going over 5 of them, and if you notice one of them, it might mean your tires need replacing. If you notice multiple, it's kind of meaning that more likely your tires need replacing. So always do your own research and narrow it down fully before you make any decisions. But these are like some things to keep in mind where you're like, okay, maybe my tires need replacing because I started to notice these things. So without further ado, we're going to start off with number 1. Number 1 is low tread depth. Now this one is straightforward. If your tires have low tread depth, okay, you got to replace them. It means your tires need replacing. If your tread depth on your tires is low, you got to replace them, okay? It's simple and straightforward. That's the most straightforward one, basically. If you notice low tread depth, it usually will mean that your tires need to be replaced so you can get new tires with more tread depth. Simple as that, okay? Next up is number 2. Number 2 is cracks in the rubber. So you might have some cracks in the rubber of your tires, and if you notice these cracks in the rubber of your tires, it can signify that you should be replacing your tires soon, okay? Simple as that. Now you can do your own research, you can use your own judgment, you can make your own decision, and obviously you can use your common sense, and you can assess the cracks in the rubber yourself, and maybe, with a professional. So, like if you feel comfortable assessing them yourself and you're knowledgeable enough, then yeah, I guess do yourself. But if you're not fully good with it, then bring them to a professional and just say, listen, I noticed these cracks in the rubber. Do you think I should replace my tires? You're a professional, let me know, okay? And if so, tell me why. The answer is yes. And if so, also, on the other end, tell me why the answer is no. Always ask for just a little bit of a further explanation before you just take the answer as, for face value, okay? So yeah, cracks in the rubber could be something that really should let you know that you probably need to replace your tires, but you gotta, like I said, use your own judgment to make your own decision, talk to a professional, do whatever you gotta do. Next up is number 3. Number 3 is bulges or blisters. If you notice bulges or blisters on the tires, huge factor for replacing the tires, okay? Really, really big factor in terms of like, okay, I noticed the bulge or a blister on the tire, should be replacing it. Plain and simple, they are things that you should really pay attention to and things that you should really take some sort of action on, whether that is replacing your tire or bringing your tire to a professional to ask for their opinion. You should be taking some sort of action if you notice these things, okay? Plain and simple. Next up is number 4. Number 4 is uneven wear. If you notice your tires are wearing unevenly, okay, you might want to replace them, but you should also address whatever it is that's causing uneven wear on your tires, okay? You got to figure out what it is that's causing the uneven wear on your tires, and if you have to fix something so that your future tires wear more evenly, then you should be fixing that thing as well, okay? If you notice uneven wear, you should be replacing your tires. You should be considering, that's what I should say. If you notice uneven wear, you should be considering replacing your tires. That's what I should say, because it can be, severe or it can be just minor. So you should be considering replacing your tires if you notice uneven wear, okay? And when you are considering replacing your tires, you should also consider fixing the problem that's causing that uneven wear. So these are just things to keep in mind to consider replacing your tires, okay? Yeah, anyways, because like I said, you got to make your own decision. So use these factors to guide that decision, okay? And, when you're considering replacing your tires. Anyways, I've went into too much detail with that last one, so we're going to move on to try and keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point to the next one, which is number 5, and that's the last one for this video, number 5. And number 5 is frequent loss of air pressure. And that's it. If you notice frequent loss of air pressure, if your tires are constantly losing air, if you have to constantly fill them up, you might need to replace your tires, okay? Simple as that. You should consider replacing your tires. And that's basically it. That one's simple and straightforward. So for all of these factors, they should be kept in mind, and you can consider replacing your tires if you notice these, okay? And yeah, that's it. Those are basically just things to notice and keep in mind and things to look out for. And like I said, use your own judgment, use your own knowledge, talk to a professional, use your common sense, because you are making your own decisions. Always remember that. You're making your own decisions, so make those decisions good ones. I like that line. You're making your own decisions, so make sure those decisions are good ones. That's it. I feel like I've said enough, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.